In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste in DaVinci Resolve. If you've already copied a clip, or really anything from your timeline, pasting it into the right place is very simple once you know where to click. This is one of those basic editing actions that can save you a lot of time, especially when you're duplicating clips, rearranging sections, or rebuilding part of a sequence. To begin, go to your timeline in DaVinci Resolve. This is the area where your clips are arranged in order, and it's where you'll decide exactly where the copied item should be placed. Before you paste, make sure you can clearly see the spot where you want that clip or selection to appear. Being precise here is important because DaVinci Resolve will paste based on the position you choose in the timeline. Next, set your point on the timeline where you want the pasted clip to go. In other words, place the playhead at the exact location where you want the copied content inserted or placed. Taking a second to position it carefully can help you avoid having to undo and try again. Once your point is set, right-click on the timeline. This opens the context menu with editing options related to that area. From there, click Paste. As soon as you do that, the copied clip or item will be pasted into the timeline at the point you selected. And that's it. That's the basic process for pasting in DaVinci Resolve. It's quick, straightforward, and something you'll likely use all the time while editing. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V, which is often even faster than right-clicking. If you prefer working with shortcuts, this can really speed up your workflow, especially when you're making repeated edits. Just make sure your timeline is active and your playhead is set where you want the pasted content to appear before using the shortcut. If the result doesn't look right, it usually means the timeline position wasn't set exactly where you intended, so it's always a good habit to check your placement first. With just those few actions, go to the timeline, set your point, right-click, and paste. You'll be able to quickly insert copied clips wherever you need them in your project. That's how to paste in DaVinci Resolve.